Hi, in the video I found this discarded washing machine on the street and I've hauled this in, and let me just show you here. Obviously it's a bit dirty. Okay, so I've connected to the water supply in the mains and switched it on. Seems to be working, but there's this clicking sound, as you can probably hear. Take you around the back here and show you. It's a bit more noisy around here behind this panel here. So what I'm going to do, disconnected it from the mains and the water supply, and I'm just going to take the back cover and have a look. And if you have a look here, someone's cut the plug off and cut it short. I'll just remove the back cover. And let me just show you here, as you're spinning it, you can hear that ticking noise. So it's just a matter of removing the belt like so, easy as that. And what I'm going to do is remove the motor, just a couple of 13mm head bolts, just get them out. And once you've got the bolts out, the motor should just pull towards you off its mounts, like so. And then all I've got to do is work it out, and there's a little plug on the back which I've got to disconnect for the power. That's it, disconnected there. That's the plug there, disconnected. So here's the motor. Let me have a look at it. It's got a couple of carbon brushes on this. It's the brush type. These are the two carbon brushes here. So what I'm going to do is undo them and see what's going on in there. More than likely the carbon brushes have worn out. Let me just undo the screws on the one side and remove the brushes. They are replaceable. I think they're about £8 for a pair. Okay, straight away I can see that the brushes are worn. Let me just show you here. It's diagram. They're supposed to be about this long, but as you can see, they're worn out. And like I said, they are replaceable. Okay, let me just have a look further on at the commutator, give you a close-up. As you can see here, one of the teeth from the commutator has broken off and disappeared. There's a missing teeth there. More than likely that's what the clicking was. Just spin it around and show you the rest of it. It's supposed to have these commutator blades all the way around, but as you can see, there's one missing. So I don't think it's repairable. Okay, so I've had a look on the internet. I've managed to find a motor for £20, same model, and I've ordered it, and here it is. Just get it out of the box and show you next to the new one. They're exactly the same model type, just one's round, one's square. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, just reconnect the new motor to the power connector, and it just slots on like so. A little bit tricky. Just got to put it back onto its mounts. There's two in the front and two in the back. Just push it home like so, and then just I disconnected this one of the terminals for the heater, and I'm just putting them back on along with the earth cable. Just use the back of my hand, and now that that's done, I'm just going to use this zip tie just to secure the cable, just to keep them out of the way, like so. Just put a zip tie around that so the cables don't rub on anything, and just tuck the whole lot around the back there like so. Now that that's done, it's just a case of refitting the belt. It just fits onto the splines of the motor and fits around this pulley. Once you've got it lined up, you don't need any tools for this. It just rolls on to the main pulley there, like so, and you have that snap on. Okay, so that's fitted. Let me just rotate it a couple of times, make sure it's running okay. And then now that that's done, all I've got to do is refit the bolts, which I'm putting back in here, the two mounting bolts. back cover on, like so. And then there's just the two retaining screws, put them back on also. Okay, just give the machine a clean before I test it. And then I'm just gonna chuck these towels in here, just give it a test and switch it on. Let me show you here, it's filling up with water. And as you can see here, it's running, and that clicking noise is gone. Okay, the cycle's finished. Let me just show you here. Got this towel out, nice and clean. Just give you a look at that. Okay, pretty satisfied with that. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.